Welcome, in front of me is a NEFFOS X9, and today I will show you how to reset network settings. So you need to open up settings, then go all the way down into more general settings, then tap on reset, and then at the top you will find network settings reset. And once you tap on it, you will also lose connection with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other stuff that will be completely restarted. So let's do this. Also, you will need to draw pattern if you have some kind of protection on your device. I have, as you can see, pattern, so I need to confirm it and then reset settings. And as you can see, network settings have been reset and you're basically done. And if I go back, as you can see, my network is now disconnected. So that is how you would reset network settings. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.